How to sync HubSpot with Outlook. As a marketer, you're probably no stranger to the importance of staying organized and connected across multiple tools. One of the most powerful ways to do this is by syncing your HubSpot account with your Outlook inbox. By doing so, you can streamline your workflow, save time, and get a better understanding of your customers and prospects. In this video, we'll show you how to easily sync HubSpot with Outlook, so you can take your marketing to the next level. To get started, you'll need to have both HubSpot and Outlook set up and configured. If you haven't already, make sure you have the HubSpot CRM and Outlook installed on your computer. Next, navigate to your HubSpot account and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and then Integrations. Look for the Outlook integration and click on it to get started. Once you've enabled the integration, you'll need to authenticate your Outlook account with HubSpot. This will involve entering your Outlook credentials and granting HubSpot permission to access your inbox. Don't worry, this is a secure process and your account information will be protected. Now that you've authenticated your Outlook account, you can start syncing your contacts and emails with HubSpot. To do this, navigate to your HubSpot account and click on the Contacts tab. From there, select the contacts you want to sync with Outlook and click on the Sync button. As your contacts and emails are synced, you'll start to see them appear in your HubSpot account. You can then use this information to create new leads, track email opens, and analyze your email marketing performance. By syncing your HubSpot account with Outlook, you can get a more complete picture of your customers and prospects, and make data-driven decisions to drive your marketing strategy.